Welcome to Gabes Custom Interiors. We are a family business started in 1994, located in San Bernardino, California. My dad has taught all three of his boys how to create the most beautiful handcrafted interiors around and working for some of the top builders in the world. Join us as we give you an inside look at Gabes Custom Interiors. She's ready.
Oh my gosh, that looks gorgeous. Whew. Man, it's beautiful though.
We're at the stage of final assembly. Since we had no major issues pre-assembling the car, it should come together quickly. We're gonna get it cleaned up and delivered to Kent. When we get a car in here, like my favorite part of the interior has to be the door panels. I get those and look at the design, and I start with the flat piece of wood and just, start drawing the design on cardboard, cutting it out into wood, adding fiberglass, raising it, foaming it. And it just turns into, the final product, which is the actual door panel. So that's my favorite. From start to finish, I get to do the door panels, front, rear, kick panels. So I get to work on the flow of the car.
See? Sweat. If you put a seat cover and you're not sweating, it's not tight enough. Okay?
So now that my dad's finishing wrapping up the seat, we're gonna test fit it one last time to make sure there's no wrinkles. After we test fit it, we'll pull it back out, and then we'll install the leather piping that goes across the back just to make it seal nice and tight.
Yeah, matching up the lines is very important. It's what makes the detail work. You can tell that they put time into matching everything up. We're just gonna try and match everything as best as possible and make it look good.
So while they're finishing up the seat, I'll start assembling the front of the car. First, I'll assemble the front firewall panels, and then I'll move on to the kick panels. Hey Dad.
Yeah.
That molding is a little high on the quarter panel. Needs to come down a little bit.
By much? By much or?
About almost a quarter inch.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
I don't know, but don't worry, son. I fix it.
Always does. Well, if that doesn't work, grab a bigger hammer.
How's that?
Perfect.
Huh?
Beautiful.
Did I do it?
That's it.
See, it's nothing like a hammer can do it. Easy enough?
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. You the man.
Anytime. When you have little stuff, little problems like that, just call me. I fix it. That's why I'm here.
I have a little bit of money problem. Can you fix
Well, you know, money is the only thing I can help you. Anything else? I will.
that? All right. Well, it's worth a shot.
I fix this too.
Oh, you fixed it?
Oh.
Nice. Beautiful.
See how nice finish it all the way around?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'll install it.
Now I hope they fit.
I'll install it.
I know. I hope they fit. If not, pull me and I fix it with a piece of hammer, with a hammer.
A bigger hammer than that one. Thank you.
You're welcome, Tom.
Good afternoon.
What's up, Chris?
How's it going, man?
She's ready.
Oh my gosh, that looks gorgeous. Whew. Man, it's beautiful. The color really works with that red, doesn't it?
Yeah. And just enough contrast between those two colors.
Yeah, and I love it makes the chrome pop. And the black in between the chrome pieces really makes it look like there's three separate
And loving
pieces.
that texture on that embossed.
Yeah, I like it too, and the material you use for the speaker grill works perfect with it. It looks really good, man. This whole interior is just an awesome piece.
Matches the rendering.
Yeah, you guys did an awesome job making it look the way I dreamt it up, so I'm very happy with it. I'm sure Kent's gonna be happy with it too when he comes by tomorrow to get it.
Yeah, so we're ready for him to pick it up and
Cool.
have it finish it up. And
Yeah, we only got a few things left to do on it and button up the front end, a couple things here and there.
hey, bro. Package.
What's that?
No, it says Gabe.
To Gabe? That would be me.
Your wife ordering stuff again?
Shit, I hope not. It's scary every time I get a package under my name. What is this? Oh, yeah. Dear Gabe, we sure do appreciate you. Enjoy. All the best. Bob DeMars from Original Ideas. Man,
Bob's a really nice man.
what a nice man. Reserva de Familia José Cuervo Tequila Extra Añejo. Awesome.
Can't wait to pop that one open.
Man,
Special occasion.
yep, what a nice. Thank you, Bob.
We have some of the best customers. Out of nowhere,
Best.
a random bottle of tequila. Like,
Yeah, we've
get any better than that.
known Bob for at least 20 years. Bob DeMars, thank you so much. Looks like we're gonna have a shot of tequila.
Well, we'll save it for a special occasion. The Dodgers win the World Series.
Yes. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Jesus, for bringing this package in today.
Put it away and get to work.
Don't tell me what to do. What's up, everybody? Hope you liked the episode you just watched. Come back next week, same place, same time. Like, comment, subscribe, share it to everybody you know. Hopefully they like it. Thank you.